People who are setting up autonomous self-raising teams right now are negligent and irresponsible in harming organizations. Yes, before saying that, Michael Sahota warned the audience that the statement will be somewhat controversial. If you are looking for really interesting insight in agile culture, you have to watch this whole Agile in the Zone interview. So click the link up here. But now, let's not waste any more time and see what's behind the 13th wicket. To all RTEs out there, there is also a hidden way to switch from the PI Planning app directly to the RT cockpit. Go to Settings, and under Settings you can directly switch to the RTE cockpit and also into the session. If you forgot something in the configuration, 2 clicks and you are here to optimize it.